Today is Indigenous Peoples Day. I'm meeting up with a couple of girls that also have the day off, and we're just gonna grab some coffee and do a little lunch. There's this coffee place that has been all over my Instagram reels since I don't use TikTok. Don't come for me. We're gonna check that place out, and then I don't know what lunch is, but we will find out. This is the OOTD. I just got these pants. I've been really into trousers, but I think they look good. They like fit me pretty perfectly.
Well, I guess it is.
I'm gonna need your reaction to drinking this.
You get to me.
Oh, it does?
It actually do have like durian in it. Oh, really?
Is that a good woe or a bad woe? The fiber.
The fiber. Does it taste good?
Getting them.
I actually don't know what they're on.
They're chickpeas. Back from our little girls' day out and stopped by the Fellow store, and we all picked up these mugs. I've been eyeing a new mug for a while now. I've been using this Zojirushi one for, I don't know, I want to say like 5 years now, so it's pretty beat up. I went to the Venice Beach Fellow store a couple weeks ago and I saw this, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it since, so I finally got it. Apparently they're discontinuing this color, so great timing to pick it up. Yeah, I'll have something new to drink my little teas and coffees in. Hello, hello. I woke up this morning feeling a little sad, to be honest. Today is the last day of my rotational program. Basically, out of college, I was hired into a rotational program where I started with a cohort and did 4 rotations of different teams over 2 years. And now the end of the 2 years is upon us. For me personally, I moved out here to San Francisco from the East Coast. I went to school on the East Coast. I grew up there and kind of like uprooted my entire life. No one I knew from college was really here or from my hometown. So yeah, it was kind of like the beginning of a new chapter and like a really definitive one. It just feels really bittersweet. Real life is beginning. We're gonna grab drinks together later this evening, and it'll be the first time like all of us are gonna do something together in a while. So I'm looking forward to that very much. I just finished up my last day at work, which was super sad. Honestly, I've said goodbye to teams so many times by now, but like this one kind of felt a little different. I'm about to meet up with some of my friends that I work with before our little drinks celebration tonight. Yay! This one's disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna do this one and this one.
They got kids. Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Yeah. so scary. I'm going to Wasabi Bistro, which has kind of popped off in SF recently because they have $10 all-you-can-drink sake, soju, and beer, which is crazy. That's like unheard of, especially in San Francisco where a cocktail's like $20. I don't want to go crazy because I am going to Napa tomorrow and doing 2 wineries, so I need to like, you know, be in bed at a reasonable hour so I can like keep tomorrow. Mommy, what happened?
I feel like throwing up.
Good morning. I'm going to Napa today. We're taking a party bus. There's like 20 something of us, and gonna do 2 wineries as part of a celebration for my friend's birthday. I've owned this dress since college, and I mean, I guess living in San Francisco, there's not many opportunities to look that cute. So, yeah, this is my chance to bust out a dress again. It doesn't look like they got mad at you. This is such a classy wine tasting.
I don't think so.
A little super glue. I don't think they'll care.
I mean, I'll pay for it.
Oh, so cute. It's so cute. Look at that. Got to the office. It's my first day on the new job. Good afternoon. I'm taking my little post-work stroll. I got the new vaccine and the flu shot, 1 in each arm, and I was out of commission for like 2 days, but I bounced back. Fleet week is coming up, so the Blue Angels have been practicing all day, and I live right underneath their flight path, so that was like all I could hear all day. Just walking down the street when the coffee shop that just opened up in my neighborhood was giving out samples, so I got a little chai sample. I went to Trader Joe's and picked up just a couple of things, but I feel like my haul is a little more interesting than usual, so I'm gonna film it. I like to make salads for lunch, so I picked up this Green Goddess dressing. I ran out of my usual lemon tahini vinaigrette, so picked this one up. I've had it a couple times. It's really healthy, so good for those kinds of days. This is a repurchase. I tried this a couple weeks ago and they were so good, so yeah, getting them again. I love pumpkin flavored things. These are like a cult favorite, the dark chocolate peanut butter cups. The cashier told me to pop some in the freezer, so I'm gonna do that like right now. I really love granola, and it's so hard to find a good chunky granola, but I was on their Trader Joe's subreddit and people are saying this one's really good, and it does look pretty chunky, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna go play tennis today, and then I have brunch. This is my attempt at putting together an outfit that works for both occasions. I don't know. Hello. Hi. Got free bread!